Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to unbox and check out this beautiful, amazing coffee mug set. Perfect for having tea, coffee, or espresso. Or you could also use it as for a decoration. It's very beautiful. Look at that. Elegant. Wow. I love the bow on it. So this is a 2 set. So you and your partner maybe. Look at that. Love the handle and stuff. It's a great idea for a gift. You could see how beautiful this 2 set is. It's great for having a cup of coffee, having a cup of tea, or even espresso. You have a nice friend came over. This is a great idea. You have some biscuit and you have some cup of coffee, or you have your nice coffee cake. Oh my god, delicious. Look at the bowl. It was well made. The plate is amazing. It's not heavy and it's not light. It's just perfect weight in it, and they come in different 2 sets, 4 sets. Check in the description box below for more price and details. And look at this spoon. It's golden color. Look how gorgeous it is. You just mix your tea or coffee, stir it up nicely. It's a beautiful, elegant moment you could have right in your home, or even your back patio, front patio, or even if you have an outdoor garden. This is beautiful. It's a great idea for a Christmas gift, birthday gift, even any kind of gift occasion. This is hands down the best so far. I love it. It's classic and classy, and highly recommend this on Product Zone. Don't forget to check in the description box for price and detail. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Get your hand on a really nice coffee set for someone or yourself. Put it in the living room, kitchen, dining room as a beautiful decoration overall.